Hey everyone, it's me. Guess who is almost sound asleep. I don't think that she liked the camera, but look how she's sleeping. She's in my lap. Oops, I almost dropped my phone. Hold on, let's see if I can get my phone to where I can. She's sound asleep. She just had her first shot today. Her first round of puppy shots, and she's not happy. Look. She's sound asleep. Look at her little paws. She's like, leave me alone. You gonna say hi? You gonna say hi to your friends? Say hi. Say hi. Isn't she adorable? It's the only time she's not trying to eat our face or lick our face off. She's like, leave me alone. I've had a hard day. I've had shots. I've played hard. Oh, isn't she adorable? Well, everybody, peace out. Yes, my nails came off and they're falling off. I'm not going to put them on. It's just a waste of money. So, peace out. Toodles. Bye, everybody. Look how precious she is. Bye.